Hey beautiful people, today I'm going to teach you an art of achieving no makeup look effortlessly. So this look is all about enhancing your natural skin by using minimum amount of product on your face. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial. So before I apply any makeup, I'm going to use this aloe vera gel, and the reason why I'm using because aloe vera gel makes my skin feel light, cool, and even it makes my skin oil free and also preps my skin for the makeup. Using an aloe vera gel is good replacement for using moisturizer, as aloe vera gel also helps in moisturizing your skin without making it oily. Now I'm going to use this BB cream from Mars, and the quantity that I'm going to use is just pea size, as you can see it on my palm, and that much only I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck area. In today's video, you're going to see that I'm using so many new products that I have recently purchased from Amazon. So I'll be linking down each and every product in the description box below. So do check that out, and also you can purchase those products from those links. After applying the BB cream all over my face in dots, now I'm going to blend that with help of a brush. Frankly speaking, this is the first time ever that I'm using any product from this brand Mars, and before purchasing this product, I have seen many beauty influencers using the same product in their videos. So yes, I saw how beautifully that product blends into the skin, and during this blending work, I was able to see that how effortlessly this product just blends and melts into my skin and makes my skin look more even tone. I'm definitely going to come up with a review video for this brand Mars. So if you want to see that video, comment down below in the comment section with heart emoji. To set my base, I'm going to use this banana powder from Mars, and I'm going to take a little quantity of this powder on brush and going to apply it all over my face and neck area to prevent my skin getting oily. Now this is my favorite part, when I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil to make my eyebrows look more fuller but natural at the same time. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the product on my eyebrows, and then I'm going to brush my eyebrows in upward direction so that my eyebrows look more fuller, thick, but also at the same time it looks natural. For eyeshadow part, I'm going to use this matte brown eyeshadow from Show Cosmetics, and as you can see that I'm applying only a little quantity of it just to add color to my eyelids, and this is how I'm blending with help of my fingers. After applying eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. The shade will be mentioned in description box, so do check that out. Also the link will be there if you want to purchase the same product. As you can see in the video, I have applied that product with help of my fingers, and also I'm blending that with my fingers because I think when it's a liquid product or something like tint, it blends really well when we use our fingers, and also it gives a natural finish. Now I'm using this cream based highlighter from Inside, and this is really good product. Again, I'm using this highlighter for very first time in this video, and I'm going to highlight my high points of my face with this highlighter. Also, I'm going to apply this highlighter a little bit on my eyelids as well. So yes, the quantity I'm using is very less. Just to add shine to my face, I'm using this highlighter, but in a really less quantity. Now to give some shape to my lips, I'm going to use this lip liner, and I'm going to gently and very lightly I'm going to line my lips. As you can see how light line I have created so that my lips look in a proper shape. After lining my lips, again I'm going to use that lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs, and I'm just going to take a little quantity of it on my fingertips and just dabbing it on my lips so that my lips will look natural. Now as you can see, I'm adding a clear gloss on my lips to just add a shine to my lips and also give a natural fuller looking lips to this look. At the end, I'm just going to apply this mascara from Show Cosmetics on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes, and with that I have completed this look. If you're a person who really loves applying makeup but don't like too much of it, then you can definitely go for this look. Also, you can wear this look on regular basis because this is an extremely wearable look. Also, it's easy to recreate. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment on this video, and do let me know what you like about this video in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you will get notified of my every new video. So I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.